There we go.
Are we right?
I assume it's working. I don't know.
Well, let's hope.
Yeah, welcome to Rob's dance floor. It's a very warm winter day here. What is it? End of March.
Yeah, end of March. Yeah, and it feels like July.
Yeah.
To me, anyway.
The sun. This is one of those days the sun is intensely hot, and yet when a cloud comes over, even the smallest cloud, then it's very pleasant. So I don't know. We take what we get, I guess.
I suppose.
So here we are.
Right. Thanks to Deorse. Goes to his channel. He's awesome. I sent us a joint mail call bid. We're doing it a little bit differently than before because it was quite a long video last time, and we're going to try and keep it a bit shorter. So what we're going to do is we get on with it.
We feel like your time is important, so yeah. He dropped these off for us the other day. He said for our preps. So we have an idea what might be in them, but we don't really know. If I can not destroy what's in the package while I'm opening it. I think when Cody worked on this knife sheath the other day, he worked on this knife. It's a bunch sharper than it was. Cody's a good kid. It's got some weight to it. I'm half hoping it's going to be ammunition, but I don't. No, it's not. And we truly don't have any idea what's in these. This feels like a jar or something.
And well, I've got a jar of honey here.
They're wrapped well. Whew, I almost dropped it. Oh, nice.
So, 2 mason jars of
New
honey.
New Mexico honey, no less. Yeah. Oh, that's going to be, I won't even open that one, keep that wrapped up. That's going to be quite good. From Cedar Crest Mountain Bee Farm in New Mexico. I'm not sure where that is in New Mexico. Oh, I bet that's up by Ruidoso. Maybe. I don't know if it is or not. Very nice. Very nice. So we're off to a good start.
Well, yeah, as you know, Steve's a long distance lorry driver, so he gets to go all over the place. Anyway, thanks to these, it's been really handy.
Cheers, Steve.
Alright, next box.
And by the way, I'm sorry I didn't put on a fancy nice hat or anything. This is one my girls got me many years ago for Father's Day, and even though it's kind of beat up, today's a good day for it. Ouch, as I jab a hole in my finger. Not really. Maybe. Maybe.
Well, I get a note with mine. You never have any smart ass remarks, Steve, because, you know, there you go.
I'll let you see it before he does. You may have to pause it. Abe's doing one as well.
Yeah, I've got my boxes over here. Hi.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the same thing. Yeah, I know, you told me that weeks ago, so... So let's have a look at what we've got.
Alright, look here. The wasps are messing with us today. Lots of wasps. They're not bad wasps.
Well, I have 2.
Oh, these are so good.
Pizza MREs. Pizza MREs, mate. Yes.
Yeah.
Worth their weight in gold.
Stucky's peanut log to go along with my hole I poke in my finger. Oh, the wasp getting into your soda?
Not yet, no. And I have 2 of the peanut bars as well.
I've never seen these before. Abe, have you? Is this something you're familiar with?
Oh, zombie rations.
Yeah.
Zombie rations.
I've never heard of them.
They're
cheese pizza slice.
They're high quality civilian MREs.
Okay.
So the food in here is actually slightly better quality. From what I've seen on MRE bids I've watched.
Get from here, you stinking
and
cat.
I have 3, and that's a pepperoni, cheese pizza slice. Yeah, these are actually the good stuff.
Oh, now that's kind of cool.
Cheese pizza slice. I've got 2 cheese pizza slices, which means I can do an MRE review on that. awesome. Now I've got 4. So I've got 2 pepperonis and 2 cheese. That's excellent. And the coveted and rare full menu. This is like Rocking Horse crap. It really is awesome. What they are? Just like this is like the best. Another peanut log roll.
Same.
The puns you can have with that are amazing. A spork.
Yeah, I guess it's not really a spork, it's a 2-piece deal. A spork is when they're built together. Oh, isn't it nice? Isn't that clever?
Yeah, that is cool.
That knife would actually cut something. That is cool. I've not seen these before.
Yeah, and a bottle opener as well.
Yeah. We put that to the test. Put it to its paces.
And a Blind Squirrel peanut butter and jelly whiskey.
Good grief.
Good, yeah. Yeah,
that's right up your alley, isn't it?
Oh man, I don't.
Can you imagine giving our friend Reese a sip of that?
I can now. Yeah, we made. Our friend Reese is a bit of a bourbon connoisseur,
Yep,
and the other day I made him drink the cheapest crap that I could find. Right, his face was awesome, and then we told him how much it cost, and his face became even more awesome.
But
I'm looking forward to that.
He was a good sport.
He's a good sport, yeah.
Yeah, Reese and I learned to enjoy bourbons together. It was kind of a long and enjoyable road. No, good grief. We have to give him some credit now?
Yeah.
All right.
Oh, Corsair.
Yeah. Our friend Steve out in California, Corsair Trainers, he's a guy that's fun to aggravate sometimes. Yeah, we like him. He's got a good channel. He does lots of good stuff. There's a lot of good experience he's got.
He does some excellent stuff. We've also got 2 key tidies.
What'd you call it?
Key tidies.
I never heard it called that. I love learning about England.
Well, I think they look like key tidies to me. I'm not quite sure what that's for. Just for the.
It's
No.
to put a lighter in.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you put a lighter in there and have it hanging there ready to go.
All right.
These are always nice. The cheddar broccoli soup mixes, these are really, really good to have.
I also have 2 stickers from Corsair Trainers. So one of those is definitely going on some of the metal boxes that I own.
I think I mentioned early on the box it says for our prep. So Deorse is really good about making sure that we've got plenty of stuff in our preparations, and that's not a bad thing.
And I have 3 cheddar and broccoli soup mixes. Now before people go, hey, what you say you don't like broccoli? Open your ears, folks. It's the texture, not the flavour. So I'm going to enjoy eating these.
My bottle's better than
And I'm not actually talking about you. I'm talking about pretty much the rest of the planet.
No, I understand. I understand.
What you got?
I'm a bit careful with what I eat too. I try to, yeah. I don't have.
Yeah, you eat anything.
I don't. Maybe not.
Well, I've got some Captain Morgan spice rum.
Oh, you can toss that off the back here.
I'm going to toss that down my throat. That's getting tossed. And a case of Blind Squirrel. That I'm looking forward to. That's going in the office.
You know, we mentioned a while ago that Reese and I we enjoy bourbon, but we also enjoy Irish whiskeys, and not malted Irish whiskeys, not like a single malt, double malt, Scotch, none of that kind of stuff. Once in a while, a bit of that is okay. We like the Irish whiskey that's just single pot still. It doesn't have the peat in it. It doesn't have kind of the harsh flavor. It just is really good. And on a hot day, Jameson and ginger beer over ice is the way to beat the heat. So now I figured I had the same thing as you. So now I'm wondering. I bet that.
Well, he knows what I like, and he knows what you like as well. So that may be different.
No, I bet it's gonna be different. Yeah, yeah. Blind Squirrel peanut butter. Oh my goodness. we got to try this. Pull a couple of glasses. If the sun wasn't so bright, we'd have the top off the bar and you could actually see it. There we go. I don't know whether to be excited or horrified.
Well, I'm excited, mate. It's free booze. So I don't know what you're complaining about. Just taste, mate. Thimble.
Oh my goodness.
Get some air in there.
Yes.
Oh yeah, actually, to me that smells really nice.
That is a different smell.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
What is the proof on this? I wonder. There's an 80. No, it's a 70 proof. 70 proof.
So for people in the UK, that's 35%.
Here's to Deorse.
Here's to Deorse. Thank you, sir.
Oh, it's like a syrup. Well, it's not bad actually. Up front, it's not bad. It's peanut butter and jelly though.
Yeah, I can taste that peanut butter. That's nice.
Okay, that's better than I thought it was going to be.
And I like it, it was free. So everything's done. The packing materials actually comes in handy because I got to send some stuff off myself. So
yeah, I'm going to send a picture of this to Reese and tell him to strap in.
yeah, I've only seen for a month. I'm not drinking that. The stuff you passed me. It's the stuff you bought. So you know, doing your own nonsense.
A peach Bellini. All right, so good stuff, Steve. Good stuff, man.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Yeah, we appreciate it. I'm torn when I get stuff like this. Part of me wants to just dig into it and get after it right away, but the other part thinks, no, that's not the practical thing to do, is to hang on to it and use it as a prep and keep it forever. Because
yeah, but I know Steve quite well, and Steve likes me to do MRE reviews. That's actually why he buys me some MREs. When he first sent me the pizza slice MRE, the reason why he sent me two was because he wanted me to do a review. So, and there's two of each.
My camera connection got lost somewhere in there. I have to go see if I'm even recording.
Yeah, there's two of each. So.
Yep, still going.
I don't mind. I'm gonna probably open the just the plain cheese pizza one, because the other, from what I've seen, the other stuff that's in the bags are pretty much the same as all the others. So I only need to do one, and all my gear set up. So I might actually do that after we put all these away. Right.
We're at about 14 minutes right now.
Right, I think that's plenty long enough.
Yeah. We could waffle on all day, but
yeah, but I'm actually going to probably set up and do the pizza slice MRE after this anyway. So
you notice the British terminology, waffle on? I'm learning to speak English.
You had quite a good grasp of English before you met me, fella, and I know why. So all those nice, lovely Irish and Scottish girls coming over to clean rooms.
Yes. We won't go into that, right? That's a different video.
Yeah, I might then.
As well.
So I'm doing another video in a bit.
Right.
Anyway,
right, here we go. Thanks.
Thanks very much, folks, for watching, and see you in the next video.
Yep. Hope you had fun. We did.